back for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Today I just wanted to do a fun, casual little video with you guys. I have been wanting to decorate for fall for such a long time. It is currently November 2nd when I'm filming this, so I know we're kind of after Halloween. I have my little jack-o'-lantern in the background, and a lot of people are ready to switch gears for Christmas and just kind of run into that. And while I totally respect it, for me personally, I love fall so much and I'm just not ready to make that transition yet. So I wanted to go ahead and decorate kind of with like a general like fall and Thanksgiving vibe, and then in a couple weeks I will move on to Christmas, and I am very excited for that, but I just feel like I can't completely just skip over decorating for fall. And it's so funny, I've been wanting to decorate for fall for so long, as I said, but with how things have been this year with COVID and the fact that Ken and I moved into a new space, I don't know, I didn't feel inspired to decorate, even though it's kind of been in the back of my mind. Like, I haven't even been active on this channel, which I apologize for, and we can definitely get more into just life updates and stuff like that in another video. Maybe I'll do a little Q&A, get ready with me kind of vibe. If you guys would want to see that, leave a comment and let me know. But yeah, I'm kind of getting back into a better headspace. Over the weekend, Ken and I actually sold a couple pieces of furniture that we no longer need, and so there's like more space in our living room now, and it's starting to feel more like things are coming together. Like, I love this little corner in our living room. We have my little plant buddy over here. Literally his name is just Mr. Plant, and I'm so proud. He's going so strong. So he seems to like his new little corner. We have our yoga stove over here, our little bookshelf, and of course my beautiful jack-o'-lantern. I've decided her name is Jackie, so everyone say hi to Jackie. I definitely am gonna be giving her some love until, you know, she's like feeling a little gross, because it is a real pumpkin. So I'm pretty proud of how I carved her and just am in love with her. So she's gonna be hanging around for a little while longer, and then I'll kind of completely transition into Thanksgiving and all of that. But I had to hold on to her for now because, I mean, come on, look at her. She turned out great. Also, before I get into the fall decor, I just want to take a second to say thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I can't tell you how much it means to me. I've been on YouTube for a really long time. If you guys saw my last video, you would know that I hit my 10-year anniversary on this channel in September, which is absurd. It makes me feel old when I think about it. Hitting that milestone right after hitting the milestone of 10 years was just something else, and I am just so thankful for you guys and your support on every video that I upload. Even though I've kind of been a spotty YouTuber at best, especially this year, it's been a crazy year, so like, I know you guys feel me on that, but also it's not necessarily an excuse for being a mess of a YouTuber. So just thank you for sticking with me. And to give back to you guys in a little way, I want to do a giveaway in this video. So if you want to enter that and hear more about that, make sure to stick around through the end of the video. All right, so let's get into the decor and stop rambling. I have all of my fall and Halloween decor just in this little tote here. There's definitely gonna be some things that I will probably just put back away until next year, but I still thought I'd show you guys everything because I know I love watching these kind of videos and getting inspired from other people. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it too. First of all, right on top, I saw this little bowl that says Boo on it, and it has a trick or treat on the inside. Kind of sad that I never pulled this out. I usually have candy corn or something in it. This actually was my roommate, or previous roommate, Michelle's bowl, but then she gave it to us when she moved out. So we'll have to use it next Halloween because it's so cute and perfect to just sneak some candy in. Another very much Halloween decor piece is this little jack-o'-lantern like sign, I guess you'd call it. It has a little ribbon to hang it from, and usually I will put it on the front door of wherever I'm living. Didn't get around to that this year, unfortunately. Probably won't hang him up because I'm gonna go for that more Thanksgiving kind of vibe, but he definitely will be back next year, and I'm looking forward to that. Next up is something I definitely will use. It's this cute little pumpkin serving bowl. So it has a little lid that you can just take off, and then it's a nice little bowl here. Unfortunately, since we can't really do Friendsgiving with COVID and everything, normally maybe I'd put like cranberry sauce or something like that in here, but it may just end up being decor in our kitchen this year, which I'm okay with because it's pretty cute. The next thing is kind of small and funny, but it's just this little jack-o'-lantern rubber duck, and honestly, even though he's more Halloween vibes, I might still put him in our bathroom for now because it's just so cute, and like, how can you not? Up next are these two little pumpkin plates. Super cute, definitely kind of more generic fall, so I'll be putting these out. I think I got them at Target as like a bundle, but I don't really remember because it was 1 or 2 years ago now. You definitely can find something like this at Target or like TJ Maxx or something though. Next up is this cute little Snoopy that I remember impulse buying when I was in Boston last year visiting my friend Becky. Super random, but it's just kind of one of those things that you remember. So he is super cute and definitely a little more Halloween themed, but I don't know guys, I love Snoopy so much, and I also love the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown special. I just watched that on Halloween and it was a whole vibe, so I don't know, I might kind of sneak him in somewhere because he's just so cute and he deserves the recognition. Another cute little stuffed animal friend. This is Deborah, everyone. She's just a little stuffed turkey. I think I also got her at Target a couple of years ago, and I couldn't tell you why her name is Deborah. I just know that Ken and I came up with it, and her name has been Deborah ever since. So it's just definitely her time to shine. It is her month and holiday coming up, so I'm sure she's very excited to find a home here in our apartment. I also have this cute little fall leaves bottle that my mom made for me last year. It's actually just a little glass tea bottle that she repurposed and put some little like craft fake leaves in there and then some twine. So very simple but very cute, and definitely will be putting this out. I also have this little jack-o'-lantern. This one I know I've had since college, so amazing that he's made it this far. I just checked and he either has dead batteries or maybe there are no batteries in here. Not really positive, but may just end up putting him back away until next year, but just thought I'd share. He's like hanging out with Jackie over here. Next up are these two little canvas kind of style pumpkins. I'm actually not sure where these are from because they were originally my previous roommate Michelle's. I'm sure you can find something like this almost anywhere though. Next up is another little pumpkin from, you guessed it, Target, because that's where I get most of my decor from. This one has a cute little like chevron pattern on it. It's so shiny, I'm not even sure if you guys can see it, but this one's really cute and also definitely like a generic fall vibe, so I think it'll be great to put out for now. I also have this cute little fall sign that Michelle gave to me. As you can see, common theme. This one actually still has the sticker from it, so it was from Walmart and definitely super cute. Next up, I have this cute little banner from Paper Source last year. This just says give thanks on it, which I'll try to like focus so you guys can see. And I definitely will be hanging this up like above our TV, I think. I need to kind of think through where it would go best, but definitely perfect for this time of year. I also have this little cinnamon broom from Trader Joe's, which surprisingly still smells pretty cinnamony, and it's from last year, so I'm kind of glad that I stuck that in there, and we'll definitely put this up somewhere because it just smells like fall and happiness. I have a couple more pumpkins that came from Michelle, so unfortunately I'm also not sure where these are from, but again, probably like Michael's, TJ Maxx, Target, one of those usual suspects for fall decor. They're so cute though. I love that they're kind of like a more like classy fall vibe since they're like white and they have these nice gold little leaves. So definitely we'll be putting these out somewhere in our apartment. This part I feel like is getting very long, but we're getting down to the bottom of the box, I promise. So stick with me, we'll be decorating soon. But I have these cute little jack-o'-lantern lights. These do actually still light up, which is exciting, but I think I may put them away until next Halloween since they're definitely more of a Halloween vibe, but definitely excited to use these at some point because they're so cute. Going along with that, I also have these cute little fall lights. Again, these are from Michelle, as were the little jack-o'-lantern lights, so not sure where she bought them, but definitely cute to have little things like this to just add a little bit more texture and also some light to the apartment. I love having like candles going kind of like in the jack-o'-lantern and then little lights like this. It just makes everything feel so cozy and is just great. And last but not least, we finally made it to the bottom of the bin. I have these two just little generic orange little ceramic-y pumpkins that I believe came from Target last year. Oh wait, I see one more thing. I'm sorry, I lied. I did buy something for fall this year. I'll be right back. So this little ceramic truck I got at Target, and I just thought it had, you know, like a cute little fall vibe, but also I could probably leave this out for most of the year if I wanted to. I don't know, I just thought it was cute, and what I was picturing doing with it is putting one of these little pumpkins back here, and it fits perfectly. Like, how cute is that? Probably just gonna put this in our kitchen by our cookbooks, which is where the little truck has been sitting since I bought it, just waiting for fall decor to happen. So this is cute, it was definitely worth the purchase. All right, that is officially everything now. Thank you guys for hanging out through that part of the video, and we will go ahead and get into decorating. friends. So it is actually almost 2 weeks later from when I started this video as I'm filming it, which is slightly embarrassing to admit because I really hoped to have this video up sooner than I'm getting it up. But I did check in with you guys on Instagram and ask if you still wanted to see a fall decor video, and a lot of you said yes. So first of all, shout out to you guys for your support and your love of fall. It just makes me really happy and I love you guys. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to close off this video with a quick little mini apartment tour. This definitely isn't a full apartment tour. I just wanted to share the decor kind of in action with you guys. Also show it during daylight since I filmed the first part of this video at night. And while it definitely gave off some cozy vibes, I feel like it wasn't as easy to see everything as it will be in this part of the video. Definitely excited to share that with you guys. And also if you've been following along since the moving vlogs, you'll get a little sneak peek at the apartment because things are slowly starting to come together, but I'm definitely not ready to film like a dedicated apartment tour just yet. There's like still a few more pieces that I want to get, decor I want to hang up and all that good stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the tour. Starting with the kitchen, please ignore the dishes and other messes that you see. Definitely going to do a deep clean of the apartment this weekend. It just has not happened yet. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the decor in here. We have this cute little shelf that I keep my cast iron pans on, but I also love to decorate the top of it. I actually ended up switching out the pumpkin that was up there for this little pumpkin plate. It just kept falling from the dresser where I originally put it, so I swapped out the little canvas kind of material pumpkin that I had up here on the dresser and put this plate up here, which kind of makes more sense because then it can lean up against the wall, and I think it looks pretty cute with the leaves up there. So definitely into it. Also not related to this video, but this spice rack I really love. It's just from Amazon and so are the jars, and it just makes me feel like my life is so together. So definitely recommend checking out Amazon if you guys want a way to store your spices that's a little prettier and doesn't take up any cabinet space. Then continuing on for the fall decor, we have this cute little pumpkin back here, as well as my pumpkin spice coffee from Trader Joe's. And I like how it's just a cute little fall touch over here when I'm making my coffee. It makes me happy. Next up, over by the stove, I just have the little sur la table pumpkin serving bowl. I like how it looks there with our utensils. I think it adds a nice little pop of color and again, a little touch of fall to this corner of our kitchen. And then moving more into our actual living space, I have another little corner over here with a couple fall decor pieces. This is my cute little truck and pumpkin from Target. I'm still very proud of how that turned out. It's definitely a small detail, but it just makes me happy, so very into it. And then I also have the little cinnamon broom from Trader Joe's up there. Though I said at the beginning of this video that it still was kind of fragrant, I haven't really noticed a difference in our apartment, so probably will end up tossing that when I take down the fall decor, but I still like having it there. It just feels very autumnal, I guess, to me having it up there. Moving into the living room, we have honestly maybe my favorite area in the apartment for fall decor. So first of all, above our TV, we just have this cute little give thanks banner that has turkeys on it, and it's just very festive for this time of year. Love it, I think it looks so cute. And then on the TV stand itself, we have these little fall lights, some tea light candles, and a bunch of pumpkins, and I just love the effect of this whole area. I guess I can try to back up and show you guys a little bit of a wider shot. Please ignore that one last moving box there. It just has decor in it that I have not hung up yet, so good times. But this is definitely one of my favorite areas of our apartment for fall decor. I just think it's so cute and cozy. And then last but not least, for our little living area, we have our bookshelf and also my little plant buddy over here. On the bookshelf, I used to have a jack-o'-lantern, but sadly she's no longer with us. It just kind of was rotting slowly, so I needed to toss it, but I did go ahead and keep the little pumpkin and turkey and little fall sign that I had originally put there. So still think they look cute, just missing the jack-o'-lantern, which honestly, now that we're getting farther into November, probably didn't need to keep it anymore. I just was feeling sentimental after Halloween and was not ready to let go yet. Over here past the bookshelf, I don't think I actually showed this little scarecrow in the first part of this video because I forgot that I had it, but I think it looks so cute, and my little plant definitely makes it very festive. In our room, we really only have our dresser decorated, so I'm just gonna focus on this. We have our cute little Halloween Snoopy over here, and I know he's a little bit out of season at this point, but he still makes me smile, so I don't really care. And then over on this side, this is the canvas pumpkin that I was talking about having swapped out from the kitchen into here. I do think it kind of goes well with the dresser and kind of the more neutral tones in our room, so it ended up working out well here. And then I also just have a little leaves candle from Bath & Body Works, because how can you not? It smells amazing. And last but not least, moving into our bathroom, we have our cute little over the toilet storage shelf decor situation. And I just have, again, one more touch of Halloween up here, this little jack-o'-lantern rubber duck, but I had to do it because look at him with my other rubber duck, like so cute, just fall vibes all around. And then I also have right here the other little pumpkin plate and another fall candle. That one is from Target. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video, but I do have one more important thing to talk about. Don't think I forgot about the giveaway, I did not. We're going to chat about it now. So I do, again, just want to say thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. It means so much to me, especially not being the most consistent YouTuber in the world. The fact that my channel is still growing has me shook. Like, I don't know where you guys are coming from, but thank you. I hope you stick around because I am planning on just going full force, getting back into the swing of things with videos. Today, I've basically spent working on YouTube. I edited the first half of this video this morning, and now this afternoon I've been filming, and it's just made me so happy, and I'm really looking forward to uploading this and connecting with you guys again and just living my best life right now. So I will have the details for the giveaway down below, just in case I forget to mention anything. Make sure to take a look at that as well. But I wanted to do kind of just a small gesture to thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. I really wish that I could take each of you guys to coffee and hang out with you and get to know you, but especially in the current world environment, unfortunately, it's not super possible. So I would love to at least get you coffee on me and give a couple of you guys a Starbucks gift card. To enter, all you need to do is 1, be subscribed to this channel. It's kind of the bare minimum because, you know, I want to get back to my subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed, and also leave a comment on this video and tell me either your favorite thing about fall or what you're most excited for the holidays, because they are quickly sneaking up on us. I know I've already started my Christmas music and I'm thinking about decorating soon, so get excited for a Christmas decor video in the future. But yeah, just leave a comment about something seasonal, something that you're excited about, and then also please include either your Instagram or Twitter, some way that I can DM you and contact you and get more information if you are one of the winners. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the giveaway. It's gonna be super simple. I didn't want to make it too complicated for you guys to enter. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks, so for 2 weeks from when this video is published, which I think is gonna be today, but I'm not positive, so I'll put the date here on the screen and also down in the description, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new here or if you want to enter the giveaway, because, you know, you should. And with that being said, I'm going to stop rambling because I've been talking far too much while I've been filming this video. But I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.